Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's Diva Risse here, and I'm back with another video. Hey, if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Another unboxing because y'all see the title. I did it again. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram and everything like that if you want to know about this little outfit here. Follow me on Instagram. I just finished doing a reel and it's cute. Follow me at Diva Risse. So let's get right into this video because I know y'all came to see this item. So let's do it. So as you already know by the title, that's probably why you clicked the video. I got another Brandon Blackwood bag. I got another one. The first one was so good that I was like, I can get another one.
She said, yeah, it was cheeky.
It's cute or whatever. So here's the box that it comes in. I'm sure you know what the box looked like. Bam, bam, bam. Brandon Blackwood, New York. So you open the top and it says his name in black and white all across the top. The bag comes in its very own dust bag, honey. Yes, we got a nice little dust bag so you don't get all dusty and crusty. So let me open this up for y'all. Tissue paper, because tissue paper is it. Get that out the way, and honey, oh, she cute. Look at this baby blue bag. Like, look at the silver details. Brandon Blackwood, the zipper, silver. Look at the bag. It's given. It don't have feet, but I don't need feet for this one. Yeah. Hey, girl. Yes, girl, this is cute. This is so cute. Tell me this is not cute. Let me open it and see what the inside is giving. Oh, we're giving an inside pocket with a zipper and another little pocket on the other side. Ow. Yes, honey, this is really, really cute. I love it. I couldn't decide what color I was gonna get. It was either gonna be this baby blue, orange, or pink. Yeah, I know I love me some pink. I love pink. I just got another orange bag from somewhere else, so I didn't get another orange bag, but I was like, let's do baby blue. I mean, I got baby blue, but I got this one. She's cute. And let me insert some images of me wearing this because I actually already wore her because I couldn't wait. And I was cute. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have already seen the outfit because I am giving what I'm supposed to give. I'm giving what I'm supposed to give. Ow. Ow. If you don't know, I like prints. I like light, bright colors, and perfect. This bag is perfect. If you're thinking about getting one, I suggest getting one, honey. Any one of them, because I can't even say get this one, get that one, get any of them. Okay, which one is this even called? Is it on the box? Yeah, it's on the box. Why I can't read it? Baby blue nylon. Oh, SYL bag. It's the SYL baby blue nylon. Okay, so yes, I just wanted to show you guys that I did actually get another Brandon Blackwood bag because the first one was fantastic. The second one is just as fantastic, and don't be surprised if you see a third one because there's others that I want. I should probably wait for his fall collection because he keeps talking about a fall collection and he's introducing sunglasses, so we're gonna see how they're given. And yeah, girl, yes. All right, enough of me rambling on. This was supposed to be a little quick video, but thank you so much for tuning in, for watching my video, for liking my video. Make sure you leave me a little comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Bye, girl.